Hey everybody, Chuck here. Let me turn up the sound a little bit here so we can make sure you hear me. There we go. Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at or talk about total cost of ownership. Definition-wise, total cost of ownership is the overall final cost of an item. So it includes the cost to purchase or produce the item. On top of that, then we add the cost to land the item on your dock, or if it's coming through the factory to get it to completion. So we've got cost to purchase, landed on the dock or completion. Third one, cost to manage the items. And so, it's the cost to manage the process, the part is part of, as well as any ongoing over the lifetime costs of the item. So that would be cost to put it away, cost to move it, cost to pick it, cost to pack, cost to manage it, store it, things like that. Everything else that we would manage with engineering changes over the lifetime of the item. Those are all additional costs that typically get probably thrown into overhead, but they really are part of the total cost of owning something too. And so total cost of ownership, TCO, is typically part of the strategic decision-making process when it comes to selecting where to buy an item from. What it gets us is kind of an apples and apples comparison. So TCO is important because it allows us to see, compare, make decisions on a relatively equal and comparative basis. It also lets us see the supply chain effects as we change important strategic elements, how that impacts the total value or cost of an item. We can see the change reflected there. So it allows us to have a true understanding of the costs, the values, and the impacts on the business of any item on the organization, as well as the supply chain.